Welcome back, my friends. Dollar Tree's crafting aisle has tons of these beads. They're plastic, they're wood, you name it. We are going to be using some alphabet beads as well as beads, regular beads. Now you can use wooden beads like these that I have. They come in different sizes and shapes. But today I am going to use the plastic ones, some metallic, it's some colorful ones. I am also going to be using two of these binder rings. You can find these in the kind of like the office aisle at Dollar Tree. They come 6 in a pack. We're going to use two of them actually. Now you can also use the smaller ones if you want. We're also going to be using some sort of string. I'm going to use the white jute string, but you can use any color you want. I'm going to use this lid as just kind of a container to contain the beads as I'm using them. I'm going to open up one of the rings and I'm going to start threading the clear, colorful beads on this one. These are not the metallic ones. We'll do that in a minute. And I'm just going to start threading one side first of the ring, then the other side. I'm going to keep the color pattern as I choose, but you can do whatever pattern you want or all in one color. Now, because the ring has the little attachment where it can open, you want to do one side at a time, and once you're done, you just want to snap the ends and then you have a beautiful ring bead. I love it. It's so fun. Now we're going to do the same thing with the metallic beads. We're just going to place them in the lid here again just to contain them, and we're going to do a color pattern that I choose, and we're going to do one side at a time. And then once they are full, then we are just going to close it up, snap it together, and then you have a fun bead ring. All right, we're also going to be using these stitching needles. Now, you don't have to use these. You can thread them by hand. It just goes a little quicker when you use the needle. I'm going to take my alphabet beads out as well, and then we're going to start by threading one bead through one of the strings, okay? And then we are going to thread both ends of the string through the stitching needle. Now you can skip this if you're not going to use the stitching needle. Then we're going to start threading all the other beads. Now I'm going to choose a pattern that I want, and I'm just going to add several beads, okay? I think I ended up adding like maybe 7 or 8, but you can choose the amount you want. Once you have those beads threaded, I'm going to remove the needle, and then we're just going to thread the alphabet letters on one of the strings, not both. I'm going to do my daughter's name and my son's name on these, but you can choose whatever you want it to say. You can say, I love you. You can say Happy Mother's Day, whatever you want. So I'm just going to keep threading letter by letter. You see that there. Then I'm going to thread both ends again through the stitching needle so that I can finish threading the other beads that are going to go on the other side of the name. And I'm going to keep the same color pattern once again, but you choose whatever you want. Once you have all the beads threaded, then it's time to attach this piece to the ring. So we're just going to open it up just like you see me doing here, and we're just going to tie it in a very simple knot. We're going to cut off the excess, and I did add a little dab of hot glue. You don't have to. This is just going to secure everything in place. All right, we're going to repeat the process. Now I'm going to speed it up, but this is just a review. I threaded one bead first through one string, then threaded both ends through the stitching needle, threaded the beads that I wanted in the color pattern that I wanted. Then I removed the stitching needle, and I'm just going to thread one of the strings spelling out my daughter's name. And then we're going to thread those ends once again through the stitching needle, and we're going to finish threading those beads in the same color pattern. Once I have them threaded, I'm just going to remove the needle, open it up, and we're going to tie it onto the ring, making a simple knot, securing it with a little dab of hot glue, cutting off the excess, and you have a fun gift that you can give your kiddos or anyone in your family. I love the way these turned out. You can make as many as you want. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. And if you want to watch more fun crafts, make sure you click on this video next. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.